हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द एग्रेसिव नॉलेज। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे हाई पास फिल्टर के बारे में। हाई पास फिल्टर बनाने के लिए कौन कौन सा कंपोनेंट की ज़रूरत होगी और इसका यूज कहाँ पे करते हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। सो हम लोग हाई पास फिल्टर बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे ऑर्किड एप्लीकेशन का यूज करेंगे। सो इन ऑर्किड एप्लीकेशन में फर्स्ट हम लोग ऑल कंपोनेंट चूज करेंगे, उसके बाद उसका डिफरेंट वैल्यू देने के बाद हम लोग उसका आउटपुट रिजल्ट देखेंगे। ओके, तो ये हमारा हाई पास फिल्टर का सर्किट है। सो वन कैपेसिटर is required and one resistor value is required. So capacitor value we put in series with the load, and we are given AC signal. So first we put a 5 volt amplitude and frequency. Now we put it 1 kilohertz. High pass filter means why we are making high pass filter. हाई पास फिल्टर का यूज इसलिए है कि इसमें हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी का सिग्नल हमें पास करना है एंड लो फ्रिक्वेंसी का अटेन्यूएट करना है, मीन्स उसको ब्लॉक करना है। सो हाई पास फिल्टर अलाउ फॉर इजी पासेस ऑफ द हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी सिग्नल फ्रॉम सोर्स टू लोड एंड डिफिकल्ट पासेस ऑफ लो फ्रिक्वेंसी सिग्नल। इन capacitive high pass filter, insert a capacitor in series with the load, and the cutoff frequency for high pass filter is that frequency at which the output voltage equal to 70.7% of the input voltage. Means here we given 5 volt. So according to change the frequency, output voltage will be changed. So let us see. Now 5 volt and we given 1 kilohertz frequency. So let us we play and we see the output result. So here you see this is a output, red one, and green one is input signal. So 0 to 5 volt input signal we given, and now coming in 0 to 4 volt approximately. So 4 volt coming means if we apply 1 kilohertz signal, so amplitude 1 volt approximately will reduce. So according to frequency, output voltage will be changed. Now we change the frequency here. Now we put 10 hertz frequency and we see the output result. Means in 10 hertz frequency output will not come. So let us we play and see. Here you see this is 0 volt come. So it means in this circuit low frequency it will not pass and high frequency only it will passes. So now we change the again one more frequency and we will see the result. Now we put at least 10 kilohertz. So in 10 kilohertz you will see approximately full output voltage will come. Let us see once again. Now we change the time scale 0.1 millisecond and we will see the result. So here you see approximately same output will come. Means here if I increase the frequency, output will not change. Means whatever we given input voltage, same output voltage will come. If I reduce the input frequency, output voltage will be reduced. So this circuit will see in Excel sheet also. So now we open the Excel sheet and we see the here we apply 10 hertz to 5 megahertz 500 kilohertz 500 kilohertz frequency, and we calculate the XC value and impedance value and we check the output voltage here. So according to output voltage we calculate here in logarithmic form, and this is the output result, whatever is here earlier we discussed in ORCID. So in this here you see, if we put 10 Hz, so output will not come, means output will be attenuating. And if we go higher and higher up to 1 megahertz, so up to 100 Hz, means 100 Hz above, it will not attenuating in this circuit, this RC filter. Means above 100 Hz it will not attenuating, means whatever we signal, we given signal 5 volt apply, same output voltage will come, means approximately same voltage output will come. If I increase the more than 1 kilohertz frequency, if I increase the more than 1 kilohertz frequency, so it will not attenuate, means full passes the signal. So this is the main purpose of the high pass filter. High pass filter where we use, in high pass filter we passes the high frequency signal and will blocking the low frequency.